I get asked a question all the time. When should I hire a property manager? My opinion is you should maybe manage 1 or 2, 3, max 5, then hire a property manager. Some people should hire a property manager immediately. It all depends on your personality. But the mistake I see people make is they go get 3 properties and they're all an hour apart from each other, and they're in different counties, or they're over the Cascade Mountains in Eastern Washington. Your time is valuable, and it's hard to deal with that. One of my friends, she owns multiple multifamilies, and she owns halfway houses. So if you're getting out of treatment, you can go into one of these. But they're in Eastern Washington. And so, we both have a couple similar vehicles. She's got a F-150. My son stole my F-150. I have a Jeep Gladiator. She also has a Jeep Gladiator. And I said, man, I love the Ford. How many miles you got on that now? She goes, 155. And I go, what? You bought that after me. She goes, you forget how many times I go over the pass. Okay. Don't forget, everything takes time. In an ideal world, until you've got like 10 properties, they'd all be within an hour of your house.